You were the world in the beginning, one with God, the Lord Most High. You hid glory and creation, now revealed that you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name.